Electromagnetic principle, the old design. Design coil. Electromagnetic coil by magnetic induction. Rare earth, ayun, problem. Rare earth magnets, which is controlled by China. Rare earth elements, manufacture ng magnets. Point of diminishing returns. Yes. Electrostatic field, voltage. Static, ayun. Electricity.
That's electrostatic force. Electrostatic motors use the same principle, but on a much larger and more controlled scale. Instead of using magnetic fields, these motors use electric
voltage,
fields.
ayun. Electrostatic field. Electric field.
Electrostatic motors can hold a position without continuous power. This is because they rely on electrostatic forces generated by voltage differences between electrodes and a rotor without needing current flow. Benjamin Franklin designed his electric wheel in